Hey guys, Andy here. So today we're unboxing the 2-in-1 wireless charger stand with MagSafe from Belkin. Okay, so the dock is right there as soon as you open the box. Let's just take this out and see what we have inside. Okay, so I went for the black finish instead of the white. I think that looks really nice. Let's just have a look at the accessories before we take a look at the stand in a little bit more detail. So we have some very basic instructions and the AC adapter. That's all we have in the box. So as we can see, this stand, it charges your phone, so it will be an iPhone 12 or later, and also your AirPods as well. And we also have some product and warranty information as well. And that's about it. So let's take a look at the stand itself. It does have a nice weighty base to it. It feels well made. That's kind of a soft material here on the MagSafe charger. And we have a base with 4 padded feet at the bottom as well. The cord, it's fairly lengthy. I'm not sure what the exact length is, but as you can see, it does seem to be fairly long. It will definitely reach from the bottom of your desk up onto the top. You can see it slots in neatly there. It can be placed on your desk. Yeah, I do like the weight to it and the aesthetics as well. Okay, so just a quick demo of how the MagSafe works on this charger. So I have my iPhone and it simply just attaches into place. The magnet, it's fairly strong, can't see that coming off, and you can also rotate your phone as well, so you can have it in either portrait or landscape. I do notice it's making a slight mark on the back of my Apple silicone case, but I don't think that's too much of a big deal. It seems to be coming out as well if I just rub it a little bit. But even with the case, it just goes on, no problem at all. And let's also try and charge my AirPod Pros, which are in an in-case cover as well. Yep, you can see the lights come on, so it seems to be charging both of them at the same time, so that's good. So in conclusion, really impressed with this MagSafe charger from Belkin, and I'd highly recommend it on a desk setup or by your bedside. Definitely a great option if you need to charge your phone and AirPods at the same time. Thanks for watching.